The next one we're looking at will be livestock feed. Livestock feed has been flat since the beginning of the year and peaked in December and closed at 72 kobo. What resistance level will we be watching? About 81 to about 88 kobo resistance levels for Okumu oil. The next one, NCL, I wouldn't regard that, no information. Sorry, Unilever. Unilever, I did say most rally started in December. Well, if you look at what Unilever was doing, let's look at it from ending of September. It was trending lower highs and lower lows. Before then, we had a flat trend of entry levels of between 26.57 and resistance at 28, and twice it spiked above 28.50 levels, and but the main resistance point was about 28 naira, and it started to drop, and it was trending lower lows, lower highs, spiked down about 25 but closed at 26 until we saw this breakout. The next resistance level we're watching for Lever Brothers, Unilever. If you look at the trend, within that 29 naira, so but it has room of hitting the 30 to 31 naira levels for this year. The next stock will be WAPCO. WAPCO did spike. We did see some spikes on WAPCO. Then it was trading the same lower lows and lower highs. You can see that from July. It was trending down, down, down until lower lows, lower highs, until we saw purchasing power within 36.50, 37 naira, and 38, and this was the beginning of the trend, in sense that it started trading higher lows and higher highs here. You know, 1, 2, rebounded, found some resistance here and broke out. Now it's dropping within these levels, so we'll be seeing buying power again within the 42 naira range and 40 naira levels. This spike was, I think, they opened their new plant at Ewekoro in terms of increase in production line. So this was the information that spiked the price of WAPCO up. The next one watching will be sorry about that, Nimet and everything. Looking at Nimet shares, Nimet on the daily time frame, after it moving from about 96 kobo to 160, looking at the trend, it was trending lower highs and lower lows, and it closed 108. You ask yourself, how did Nimet join the overall gainers? I don't want to go as far back, but if you look at 2011, Nimet actually started here. It went as low, so you can see from here it went as low as 91 kobo and closed 108. So it's again, but towards the December period it dropped. And if you want to look at how far Nimet can go, possibility of it dropping at two levels, that's the 94 kobo level, or worst case scenario 70 something level. That was on the time frame, and the daily and the monthly time frame is showing 80 kobo bid and about 154 naira offer. So Nimet is in a tight range for now. That's what we'll be watching. The next gainer Beja Paint, not too interesting. Trading within 8 naira support level and 850 resistance levels. Now we are going to quote the market heavyweights. These were the stocks that hit all-time low. Diamond Bank opened the year at 750 and closed at 192 kobo, losing about 70%. If you look at the history of Diamond Bank, I need to go back, look at from June, this is the beginning of the year 2011 when it plunged, and since then it's been trending lower lows, lower highs and everything until. So if you look at it, how far can Diamond Bank go? These levels, it's from this point, it's a possibility that it might hit 173 kobo, except you see good fundamentals, because most of them are their year end is December, and good fundamentals will be what they will need to boost their share price up. So weekly time frame lower lows, and monthly time frame lower lows. It even broke his low of 2009, 2010. As you can see, it's even from what we are seeing, this is an all-time low for Diamond Bank. It's an all-time low, so they need to wake up this year. The next one is Fitson. Fitson is trending. I'm looking at it from the daily time frame. It has found support after trending lower lows and lower. It has found support about the 75 kobo range. So this is where we will need to watch. We need to see a breakout above this level to know the next trend, where Fitson is going to head. But I still see more lower lows for Fitson. The next one will be CCNN. The cement sector has not been lucky this year, really, except WAPCO. The same formation. You see, lower highs, lower lows, different time frame. Same thing, lower highs, lower lows, monthly time frame, lower highs, lower lows. The cement sector has not really been lucky. UBA did disappoint us. It was lucky. It would have been the highest loser for the year, because it started the year at about 12 naira. 12 naira, yeah, 12 naira, and it dropped to about 2 naira level. So looking at it from a weekly time frame, you can see very nice entry exit levels, entry exit levels, entry exit levels. So it's within a resistance point now. We need to see breakouts above 3 naira 12 kobo, and October high is about 4 naira before we can see UBA safe. For now, we don't know how far it's going to go, but looking at it from the daily time frame, you see what it did here. We are finding it found resistance within this level. That's why it bounced back. People normally ask, how will I know when to get in and when to get out of a stock? You need to know your support levels and your resistance levels. This was where people took profit. So for now, we need to see a breakout above this level before we will know what level you'll be gonna go. I call this Dangote sugar and Dangote flour are trending within. They've been trending lower lows and lower highs for the year 2011, and for now, on the monthly time frame, Dan flour is trading below a support level. So we need to see high points above the 6 naira 43 kobo for us to know that it has recovered. So for now, on the daily time frame, it's a resistance point to watch. It needs to break out out of this level before we know. The sugar flour is within the same range too. Flour is trading lower lows, lower highs. It's finding support here for now. To know how far